Hello viewers, welcome to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to see a yogurt based gravy called More Korambu. It's a very easy and simple gravy and it is also a very tasty one. Let's take a look at the ingredients that are required to make this. Today I am using lady's finger for this gravy. You can also make this with ashgard or you can just make it as a plain gravy without any vegetables. 1 cup of yogurt or curd. The curd or yogurt should be very thick. For grinding, I'm taking a handful of coriander leaves, 1-inch piece of ginger, 6 to 7 green chilies. Do adjust this according to your spice levels. And I'm going to soak 1 teaspoon of raw rice, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of tur dal for 30 minutes and half cup of grated coconut. Now let's get cooking. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do click on the subscribe button. Add all the ingredients that are required for grinding along with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a mixie jar and grind it coarsely. After grinding it coarsely, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and grind it into a nice smooth mixture and keep it aside. The 1 cup of curd or yogurt, add a little bit of water to it and make it into a thick buttermilk. The buttermilk should not be so thin, it should be a little thick. Add the ground mixture to this buttermilk. Give it a good stir. And keep this mixture aside. Now let's see how to cook the lady's finger before adding it to this mixture. Let's temper this gravy. In a small pan, heat a little bit of oil, add mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add urad dal, a little bit of fenugreek seeds, for flavoring, I'm going to add a bunch of curry leaves and 1 red chili split. Now along with this, add the chopped lady's finger. As I said earlier, this gravy can also be done with ashgard. If you're going to use ashgard for this gravy, you can just boil the ashgard, cook it till it is soft and add it to the mixture. Just temper the mixture. If you're going to do it as a plain gravy, you just need to temper the mixture, that's all. Now since I'm adding lady's finger can be added to this gravy in 2 types. One, you can cook it in tamarind water and add it to the gravy directly. Else you can just fry it till it is a little soft and add it to the gravy. Now the lady's finger is a little soft. Add this to the prepared yogurt mixture. Give it a nice stir. Now we are yet to add salt to this gravy. So the next step is adding salt. Add the required amount of salt. I am using rock salt. If you're comfortable with table salt, please do use table salt. Add a little bit of hing or asafoetida. Give this a good mix and remove the ladle and allow the gravy to boil. If you keep the ladle in the gravy, there are chances the gravy might become watery. So remove the ladle from the pot and allow the gravy to boil. Since we have added yogurt, this gravy will froth up like milk does while boiling. So we have to wait till the gravy begins to froth up. Now as you can see on the sides, the gravy has begun to froth up. Now give this a gentle mix once or twice. Remove the ladle again and wait for the gravy to boil up again, froth up again. This is almost similar to puliseri that is done in Kerala, and the taste will be similar to kadhi, that is a North Indian dish. Now as you can see, the mixture has started to froth up again. At this stage, switch off the stove, cover it with a lid and keep it aside. Do not mix the gravy now. Just cover it with a lid and keep it aside. Before serving, you can mix it and serve. Now the more korambu is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click on the like button. Do subscribe to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Thank you. See you soon.